Nywele yangu inameanga haraka
sana. Na ni nywele smart.
Haina. Sasa inakaa ni kama niko na moto.
Nini nimeanguka?
Ni bottle yake. Nywele yangu inakaa ni kama iko na moto. Hapa ni black, juu ni brown. Coin layers, but mimi huku kando hapana. Hapana man. Let's get my hair done. Today's on Monday.
Nilikuwa tunasikia tukutulia tu nje. Nimekuwa na fatigue ya kuwatch Richard.
Inachosha.
Nimekuwa na hiyo fatigue. Sio kama from ilikuwa interesting because I wanted, but Richard sasa when ulikuwa unasema jana hakuna mtu anamshinda, so you know every fight he's winning.
Yeah.
And imekuwa to the same story every time investigation. So kuna yeye nimeanza Westworld. Interesting. Kuishika.
Cut it.
Sasa nyang'ao inanigonga.
Imeenda.
Inanigonga.
Hello guys, we are back in the house and currently we are gaming with my husband. Maya is asleep. So we are playing a game by the name It Takes Two. It's our second time playing and I'm playing as the man, as the husband, and my husband is playing as the wife. Yeah, the last time I played as the wife, so he is playing as the wife right now, and I am playing as the man. It is an interesting game and I am enjoying. I'm better, by the way, than last time. I'm not dying so many times. Yes. Yeah, there are so many improvements. Yeah, so these are the things that we do together to hang out together, because I also love when my husband is at home. Okay.
Before we start work officially.
Yeah, before officially you start
going back to work.
Yeah, let me enjoy the little time we are at home.
Nini?
Very annoying. So that's my husband and that's me. That's me. Can you see? Yeah.
Where are the worms?
Guy, na mimi babe huku guy. Acha kuzikaribia. Kuna mlipuko inakuja hapo. Shirahe modo didi, naona nani anakaribia, ona. Na zinakufuata kwa nini?
No. Ni enemies. Tunahitaji kwenda kulipua hii babe. Twende.
Ngoja, si
kulipua hii kitu hii. This one. Yenye na point.
Ngoja, si. Sasa lazima ni hepe. Weha.
Niko huku shoot hii kitu inakaa wazi hiyo.
Ngoja.
Shoot. Haupimi.
No. Zinanilipukia niko wapi?
Yeah, tumelipua hiyo.
Nimelipua, nakwambia mimi hata naendanga na kamera yangu niangalie video.
Okay, daddy to play.
The car is coming in today. Today's on Wednesday. How many days after? How many weeks?
And,
2 weeks after, yeah.
Kaput. Bado. Bado kala ifika. Ipe kidogo.
Ndio. Bora tu mimi ni happy nisikumalizie.
Kinyang'au kinajua kinaenda kukufa.
Bado? Oh, they were, yeah. Sasa. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be a special video. My heart is happy, my heart is excited because of this guy over here. He did something, and I'm telling you guys, when the Lord elevates you, kubali kupanda hiyo ngazi. Yeah, so currently we are testing our machine, first time user. This is for the first time users. We have a Von 12 kg washing machine. We are upgrading from a Von semi-automatic 10 kg. You have, I'm gonna show you here, a 10 kg Von semi-automatic that has a spinner and a washer. Then I had to manually move my clothes from the from the washer to the spinner, and I'm so grateful. It really did its job for the time being, but right now I feel like it is the right time for us to move to automatic washing machine. So there are some settings, or there are some things that you need to do when you are a first time user of your Von 12 kg washing machine. Do you want to introduce yourself first?
Of course, they know me. My husband.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this is our new washing machine. There were instructions we were given yesterday. First of all, when it was delivered, our tap was not convertible, or we could
It was
not.
not suitable
Yeah.
for that hosepipe inlet.
Mhm.
So you had to buy a garden tap.
Okay.
Yeah. A garden tap 1/2 inch.
Okay.
Yeah.
I will show you the garden tap. Half what? Half tap.
Half. Once they said half.
Yes.
Just go and say half garden tap.
Yes, so they did not fix for us. We had to call our own plumber or whoever. Yeah, we had to call someone to fix that for us. So this is the half garden.
Garden tap half.
Yes, that one.
Yes, garden tap half. And
Yeah.
it should always be on.
All right.
Never turn it off when you use. Always on. They are always on. Once you turn it on, it remains on. Those were the instructions from the technicians who got this machine.
Why?
Yeah, because you don't need an airlock. Because when the machine has an airlock, they said water will still be there. Like lots of water will be remaining here. Yeah, I know some people know about airlock, and you need, I think, to call them to remove
The
or
airlock.
to get rid of the airlock.
Yes. All right. So the first instruction we were given, we should not wash any of our clothes before running. Rapid 12 minutes. So that's what we need to do right now. And after that, we can now start doing our laundry. To make sure that all the liquids that were used, or if there's any rust in the machine or in the drum, it is well cleaned.
Yeah, actually they said before the machine is delivered, because they take it from the warehouse, it has to be tested. And the water that they use, water, maybe it has some other things that might react badly with your skin.
Yeah.
So you have to make sure you run with your own water for 12 minutes, as Marianah said, 12 minutes, and yeah, after that now you can start doing your laundry.
All right, so let's do the rapid 12. Okay, there are many settings on this. The one that you were amazed is the child lock. For me, I was amazed by the child lock setting, where you can just lock the machine, and even if the child comes and plays with the on and off button settings, it won't like reset. The main aim for us getting this machine was to wash our duvet.
Yeah, no need to be taking
No,
hassle.
yeah. Before, we used to carry our duvets, take them to the laundry
Wait for 3 days.
laundry place. They be cleaned for 3 days. We have to wait for all those 3 days, and sometimes they come with lots and lots of perfume, which we did not like. So now we can do that at the comfort of our home. We can wash jeans, we can wash anything. So the other thing that I want to test, my other semi-automatic machine could not fully wash extremely dirty clothes, especially if Maya goes outside to play. The clothes are muddy, the clothes are stained. I had to manually wash or maybe soak them for a while and then I can wash. But now I want to see if this machine will clean those kind of clothes. We were given an instruction you can use fast 60 or outdoor setting that can wash that kind of clothes. All right, so first of all, let's do the rapid 12 and we see how it goes.
Switch off, let's say stima zimepotea like that. So nangoja kwanza mpaka voltage ikuwe mzuri. It's delaying.
Switch on. I have a load of laundry, and also there was also another instruction: don't put less clothes and don't put like super loaded load of clothes, just enough for the machine to work. So yeah, thank you so much for coming along in this video, and I am so excited to have a new washing machine. Thank you so much.
Yeah, last thing also, you need to test this machine for 7 days. Kama iko na fault, that's why tunaanza kuifanya mapema. Kama iko na shida, you can call them and they give you another one.
Yes.
So we had to really try and fix this. That tap, garden tap, is I bought it at 690, but I think they kind of overcharged me because it's, the hardware is kind of convenient. It's outskirt, but where there is a high concentration of hardwares, it's maybe cheaper. Usigongo na mtu ati ni 2000, it's not 2000, it's around kuna 700 but maybe at 500 utaweza pata.
I told you guys I want to live a smart life. We don't have, like, in this current era, no spending 20 hours washing your clothes. Just save money and invest in something. You can start with as simple as this. Start with as simple as this. This one is now roughly around 30 something thousand, and it's gonna save you time, especially for time and money. And but because we call Mama Fua, let's say twice or thrice per week, imagine, and if you have 3 kids, kufua nguo maybe unatumia 2000. When the Lord lifts you, kubali kupanda, na kama Mungu bado hajakupeleka to that level, vumilia, but do your part. Try hapa na pale. All right? Thank you so much. I am so happy. I am now an owner of a 112 kg washing machine. Thank you so much. Yay! More time to vlogging, editing, and spending time with my family. Bye. Come and say bye.
Bye.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
Why?
Why are you happy?
Because
There's a new washing machine.
Yes, there is a new washing machine. Yay.
What's that?
And this is an old washing machine, but it's still fully functioning. Functional.
yeah, don't
Yeah.
make it semi-functional.
Yeah, it is functional and it served me well. These are some of the things. Wende waulize kama wanaweza kuuzia hiyo tap, na kama unataka splitter, if you still want to use the same tap, because you cannot use that tap for any other thing, it is connected to the machine. You can have a tap with a splitter moja iende kwa washing machine, hiyo ingine unatumia kama unataka ku use that water. Yes.
Fast.
Yeah.